Hey everyone, and welcome back to Auto Insider. Today we're setting our sights on the future of luxury sedans, the all-new 2025 Lexus LS Hybrid. This flagship model from Lexus promises an unforgettable driving experience that blends elegance, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. So buckle up, and let's see what this beauty has to offer. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 LS Hybrid is its undeniably bold design. The iconic Lexus spindle grille takes center stage, flanked by futuristic LED headlights. The sleek lines and aerodynamic silhouette give the car a sense of both power and sophistication. It's a design that will surely turn heads wherever you go. Moving inside the cabin, Lexus has truly outdone themselves. Imagine handcrafted premium leather seats, tasteful wood accents, and meticulous attention to detail everywhere you look. Panoramic sunroof, available as an option, creates a sense of spaciousness and connection with the world outside. Ambient lighting allows you to personalize the mood, making every journey a tranquil escape. The 2025 LS Hybrid isn't just about comfort, it's a tech powerhouse too. A large infotainment system sits at the heart of the dashboard, providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options. A heads-up display projects vital information directly into your line of sight, keeping your eyes on the road. Lexus prioritizes your safety with the LS Hybrid. The Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 suite includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. This comprehensive suite of driver assistance features gives you peace of mind on every drive. Under the hood, the 2025 LS Hybrid boasts an advanced hybrid powertrain. A powerful electric motor works in tandem with a fuel-efficient gasoline engine, delivering a combined output of around 354 horsepower. This translates to smooth and responsive acceleration, making every drive enjoyable. But here's the real kicker. You get this impressive performance without sacrificing fuel economy. The LS Hybrid is expected to achieve an estimated 33 miles per gallon, making it a great choice for eco-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on power. The blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology creates a truly unique driving experience. The hybrid powertrain offers impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 provides top-notch safety features. The meticulously crafted interior is a haven of comfort and refinement. The 2025 Lexus LS Hybrid is a remarkable car that pushes the boundaries of automotive excellence. It's a statement piece for those who appreciate luxury, efficiency, and innovative technology. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or someone looking for the ultimate in comfort and sophistication, the Lexus LS Hybrid is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the 2025 Lexus LS Hybrid. If you're interested in learning more about this beauty, be sure to check out the official Lexus website or visit your local Lexus dealership for a test drive. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite feature of the LS Hybrid is, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews.